play cooking simulator. As implied by the thumbnail, today I am going to be role playing as your personal chef. As your personal chef today. Yeah. So this is my training arc. This is my training arc to be a personal chef. Okay, let's get started. Put the blender away. Where? Where? Put it down where? Okay, I want to make this very neat, actually. Very neat and professional. So I'm not gonna like throw everything. I'm not gonna throw everything around everywhere. I'm gonna put it down gently, like that. I did my part. Let's see how you do yours. I want you to serve me a baked trout. At the end, I'll rate you, just like a regular guest would. I'm so excited. Don't worry, you have some help. I asked a friend of mine to guide you through the process. Huh? Gordon Ramsay? He's here! I'm cooking. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Let me cook. Let me cook. Oh, do you smell the aroma, chat? Do you smell? Do you smell it? Do you smell what I'm cooking? Okay. Oh, oh no! My oven has been leaking gas into the air this entire time. Oh no, no wonder I'm so delirious. Oh no. Ah! Ew, ew, what's going on? Ah! It's contorting. Okay, a firecracker, camera, sponge, witch's cauldron. Ooh, oh shit, oh god. Jeez. Ah! It's made of gelatin. I stole her cauldron. Oh! I broke our TV. Oh no, that's gonna cost a lot. That's gonna cost a lot. What do I do with the evidence? What do I do with it? I'll put it right there. They'll never know. They'll never know. They'll never know I broke it with a witch's cauldron. Pretty good. Now we need a dish. A deep plate. Pour that there. Oh, 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 too much. Too much, too much, too much. Oh, it's gonna spill everywhere. Okay. It's gonna spill everywhere. Okay. Did I... Huh? Huh? Where did my fucking soup go? Who drank it behind my back? All the chunks onto the plate. Huh? Get on there, quit sticking. Quit it! Quit sticking. Okay. What happened? What happened? Okay, it should be done now. Should be done now. Okay, let's get a plate. Just a basic plate. We'll go. You're eating instant noodles? That's... Oh! There's no way. There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way that just happened. You know what? I'm getting a bit disgruntled. I'm getting a bit disgruntled with my career choice right now. Ugh! And then I gotta get the parsley because it doesn't even add to the dish, just looks good. Even though none of the dishes here look good. And this restaurant is doomed. This restaurant is actually doomed from the start. Sunflower oil. Not too much. Okay. Now the salmon's burning. Oh my god. I quit. I quit.